Recording?
Yep.
Yes! 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 Damn it!
Here,
Yes.
you want to grab the camera?
No, you need you to record me. Alright, Dad, you got it? Alright. What's up, guys? Death Party here. Sorry for that weird intro, but I just got a pike. So that was awesome. We're in the middle of a lake. And we're kind of freaking tangled. We cannot kind of tangled. Well, let me just reel in this rod really quick. I'm going to reel in this extra rod. It's totally not part of the video. Okay, Mom, get the pike. Come on, get the pike. Record the pike. Here he is, so it's a northern pike right here. See eel? Or... So yes, can I pick him up? Okay, so as you can't tell, yes, these ones are really slimy. They have pretty good, they have quite sharp teeth. They can get much bigger than that. That's a pretty small one. Are we eating it or? Maybe. I don't know. He's all right size. He's they're nice looking. You say that?
That's not sucks.
Want me to do it?
So yeah, they have sharp teeth and they kind of have a long bill. They have they're slimy. They have some spines on their back. And let's see if I can pick him up because he's probably gonna jump around again. Told you. And yeah, they're really slimy. But anyway, so that is a. Let me get some close-ups here. Yeah, let me get a nice close-up video here. Yeah, beat that, James. I caught a pike. Right. Yeah, northern pike, baby. So yeah, they have nice teeth here.
Okay, what are we doing? It's not horrible, but... Right?
Yeah, northern pike. So yeah, anyway, this has been another episode here. So see you in the next video.
What do you think?
I'm gonna get one more shot at the pike. So yeah, here it is, the northern pike. Holding it now. Hey, he's calmed down. But yeah, there's his mouth.
I think that would be easier than this.
You guys see the teeth. Look really cool. So yeah, they kind of like swim. They're really slimy. Yeah, they swim like that. And I'm gonna kiss you. Hope you guys can see his teeth. They actually have pretty sharp teeth.
You can put them in any time, man.
Okay. And so yeah. Anyway, yes. So this is the northern pike. Let's see if I can get him swimming around. Put him in the water. Yeah, that was the northern pike. They have sharp teeth and they're really slimy. Just so you guys know, I'll show you some deep shots in a second. And here it is swimming. Yeah, he's kind of really, really tired, but yeah. Anyway, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Doing much better now.